Stable Diffusion versus Leonardo AI. Which one should you use? Choosing between Stable Diffusion and Leonardo AI is a decision that touches on how much control you want over the image generation process and how willing you are to invest time in setup and configuration. Both platforms are built around diffusion-based AI image generation technology, but they deliver that technology in very different ways. Stable Diffusion is an open source model that gives technically inclined users complete freedom to run, modify, and customize every aspect of the generation process. While Leonardo AI is a polished web-based platform that makes powerful AI art generation accessible without requiring any local setup or technical expertise. This comparison breaks down how each option works so you can decide which one belongs in your creative workflow. Stable Diffusion is an open source AI image generation model developed by Stability AI that can be run locally on your own hardware, giving users complete control over the generation process without relying on any external platform or subscription. Its open nature has made it the foundation for a massive ecosystem of custom models, extensions, fine-tunes, and interfaces, including Automatic 1101 and Comfy UI, which allow users to build highly sophisticated and personalized image generation workflows. Running locally means no usage limits, no subscription fees beyond hardware costs, and complete privacy over the images generated. The trade-off is that getting the most out of Stable Diffusion requires technical knowledge, hardware investment, and ongoing configuration. Stable Diffusion is best suited for technically inclined users, developers, and enthusiasts who want complete freedom and control over AI image generation through a fully customizable local setup. Leonardo AI is a web-based AI art generation platform that makes powerful diffusion-based image generation accessible through a polished and well-designed interface without any local setup or hardware requirements. It offers multiple generation models, fine-tuning tools, image-to-image generation, canvas editing, and a custom model training feature that allows users to create personalized models for consistent style or subject reproduction. Its generous free tier and accessible interface make it a strong choice for creators who want capable AI art tools without the technical overhead of a local setup. Leonardo is particularly popular among game developers, illustrators, and content creators who need consistent and customizable outputs at scale. Leonardo AI is best suited for creators, designers, and professionals who want powerful AI art generation through an accessible and feature-rich web platform without managing local infrastructure. Feature comparison. Stable Diffusion and Leonardo AI serve different users and different approaches to AI art generation. Stable Diffusion is the stronger choice for users who want complete freedom, unlimited generation, and full technical control over a locally run and endlessly customizable system. Leonardo AI is the stronger choice for users who want powerful and feature-rich AI art generation through an accessible web interface without any technical setup or hardware investment. The right choice depends on how much control you want and how much technical involvement you are prepared to take on. Final thoughts. If you want complete freedom over your AI image generation workflow, are comfortable with technical setup, and want to run an unlimited and fully customizable system on your own hardware, Stable Diffusion offers an unmatched level of control and flexibility. If you want powerful AI art generation through a polished and feature-rich web platform that requires no local setup and delivers professional quality outputs with fine-grained controls, Leonardo AI is one of the most capable and accessible options available. The right tool comes down to whether you prioritize total control or accessible power.